Hello fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we talk about Xeriscape landscaping. This is a very interesting topic that can result in a sustainable garden that is cost effective and requires less maintenance. So let's dive right in. Landscaping is all about choosing the right plants that are well adapted to your area, and also choosing plants that are tolerant to moisture stress or that are drought tolerant. So the very first step that you need to do is to understand which plants are well suited for the area that you come from. Sisal are well adapted to moisture stress, and therefore they can be grown almost anywhere. If you want to start a Xeriscape garden, or you want to modify the one which you already have. Also plants like cactuses, succulents like agave, and we have yucca, mother-in-law tongue, snake plant, and also lavender. These plants are well adapted to drought tolerance, and therefore they can be a very perfect choice for Xeriscape garden. Also, when it comes to Xeriscaping, you can also incorporate hardscape features like paths, rocks. These are going to reduce the surface area of which you are going to apply water. Also, it's important that you amend your soil so that it is well adapted to moisture retention, so that you reduce the frequency at which you need to irrigate your crops. Also, you need to use an efficient irrigation system, like most preferably drip irrigation system, so that you don't have any wastages. And Xeriscaping can be a great way to have a sustainable garden, and also to reduce the strain on your wallet, as this very little maintenance cost that comes with it. You can also incorporate mulching in your Xeriscape garden, so that you reduce the amount of water that you are going to apply. Thereby you reduce the cost and also the maintenance time frame. And there you have it. Let me know what you think about the Xeriscape garden in the comment section below. I'll be happy to interact with you there. So with the tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to establishing a sustainable and low-cost maintenance landscape that will be very aesthetic and will save you a lot of cost and time that comes with landscaping. Kindly subscribe to our channel. It will go a long way in giving us the energy to keep on producing content like this. Until there, I'll see you on the next one.